Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold on MetaTrader 5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device. After that, when you launch it, it will ask you whether you want to create a demo account or if you already have a funded account credentials or you have the credentials from your Forex broker. You just have to provide those, and after logging into your account you are going to see this type of interface of MetaTrader 5. So when you see this type of interface, it simply means that you have successfully connected either your funded account or your broker's account, or you are in the MT5 demo account. So here in the codes, the first thing that you need to do is to simply add the gold symbol here. For that, tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner. After that, in the find symbol section, simply search for XAUUSD. Then tap on the option of plus icon right next to it. So this way it will be added on the home screen. So with the help of it, it will be very easy for you to trade gold from MT5. So here it is going to show the current price of gold. So here when you tap on the XAUUSD tab, it will show you a bunch of different options here. Like the first option is of new order. So as the name suggests, after tapping on it, you can basically execute your trade over here. You can select whether you want to execute the market order, the buy limit or the sell limit you want to place, or you want to place a buy stop or a sell stop. So here for market execution, as soon as you tap on the option of buy or the sell buttons here in the bottom, your order will be placed and it will be visible on your chart. You can also basically measure your quantity with the help of these options that are given over here. You can also type your own quantity if you want. So this was the first option. Then you go back, and when you tap on the gold tab here again, the second option would be of chart. So it is going to show you the current chart of gold. So when you are inside, you can tap on bunch of different things here. So first of all, the first very important option for you is the time frame. So here when you tap on this H4, it's simply going to show you the hourly or the 4-hour time frame of the chart. So when you tap on it, you are going to see a bunch of other time frames, like we have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour. So you can basically change the time frames with the help of it. After that, you are going to see this particular option that is in the rectangle box. So basically when you tap on it, you are going to see the buy and the sell option here. So as soon as you tap on the option of buy or the sell option, your order will be placed and it will be visible on this particular chart. So here you can also add the SL and TP. So when you are in the position, you can definitely go ahead and add the SL and TP here. So if you want to place the limit order, simply go back and tap on the option of new order. After that, select whether you want to place the buy order or the sell order. Then provide your price, select your SL and TP, then tap on the option of place. So this way you will be able to trade gold on MT5. It is very easy. You just have to follow these steps and you are good to go. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.